Anjani Kumar has written in, I'm a beginner and I want to invest a small part of my salary in a mutual fund. Please suggest what type of fund I should select. I can answer.
Yeah, you can answer that based on our prior discussion.
Balanced fund.
Invest in a balanced fund. Invest in your balanced fund for at least 5 years and more. Invest regularly. Don't panic when if market corrects. And I will say what I would like to use this opportunity of this question in terms of explaining why balanced fund and what are they. A balanced fund invests 65% of the money in diversified equity portfolio, remaining 35% in fixed income like bonds and government bonds, corporate bonds, and they rebalance on a day-to-day basis. By virtue of investing 65% and more in equity, the tax treatment of a balanced fund is like that of an equity fund, which is you hold your balanced fund for 1 year and more, all the gains are completely tax-free. Then 35% of the money which is in fixed income, even the return from that becomes tax-free. Rebalancing, which the fund manager does, that actually takes the benefit. If the market goes up and down on a day-to-day basis, which it does, so the fund manager is rebalancing it. So many a times if the market goes nowhere, but it goes up and down in the interim, a balanced fund has the potential to generate more return than an all equity fund, because they will be profiting on a day-to-day basis without any tax implication. Third is that when the markets go down, balanced funds fall less because of that 35% fixed income. If the market does well, balanced funds are able to participate reasonably. So balanced funds don't scare investors as much as an all equity fund. That is why we keep insisting on
a lot of win-win situation.
Yeah, so I think it's a very favorable thing. It's a very important thing that any investor should get started only with a balanced fund. Otherwise, one runs the risk of getting scared by the volatility of equity and being driven out of the market.